Alright, in today's video, again and again, I want to share the tutorial on how to manage your reference. For example, it can be applied for literature study or make a review paper, anything about reference manager, more advanced reference manager, not only in the reference manager application like Mendeley, Zotero, EndNote, and etc. You can use actually Microsoft Excel to manage your references. In the previous video, I have shown to you how to construct number of reference site code until journal automatically without any effort to write it down manually. So in this video, it is more advanced. I would like to show you how to generate automatically again, arrange your method, material use in that paper. So this is the method that used in this paper, material use, findings, objective function depends on your field. This is only my preference. And you know, maybe you can write it down manually, but sometimes if you update uh, this this column, this column is actually can be updated automatically. Just update your bibtex file and anything in this column will update automatically. Okay, so this is dynamic column. When you change your bibtex, it will also change. So how to do that? So actually you can add a note in the bibtex file. This is can be extract. The big idea is I will extract this note section here, note, into the column that we have created in here. Okay, how to do that? Yeah, in this column you can refresh it. You can refresh it using data and refresh all the table here. Okay, and how to update this file? Just go to your reference manager application or software. In this time I will demonstrate how to make a note in Mendeley. For example, this is the same folder. I make a folder Auxotic and then a lot of reference inside, and I only demonstrate one file. This is yeah, in Mendeley you have details here. This details means anything metadata in your references like a title, author, journal, anything abstract, and also DOI is available in this tab. And you also have notes here. You can add some notes after you read it, and you find interesting method, materials, anything you want to highlight, just put it here. Okay, once you put and you make a notes about anything you need, you can just leave it. It will automatically update on your bibtex file. Where is your bibtex file? You just go to this one, tools, and then options, and this bibtex. I will create one bibtex per group, so auxotic folder will become one file bibtex. Okay, it is actually it is automatically updated. So when I add some anything what you want to write, just leave it and it will automatically update in your Excel. This one. This is nothing until you refresh it. Once you refresh it, it will show this one. This is XXXX that I just write. So, and then how to extract the methods and also find these materials, use anything you just put just like this. So first column is methods. So in the methods you just make text after and text before, like the previous video I have explained to you. The text after means after a note equal to and then bracket, curly bracket, methods, it will write until text before. So the text before, it will write it all things before this semicolon. So just enter, it will shows all the methods here. So any reference you edit, it will automatically arrange perfectly, just perfect, and without any misalignment. For example, this method must be in my publication, Prato publication, but it missing on the other publication. It never happen if you automatically use this. But if you manually input it, and sometimes you add in the manually the new references in the same folder, it will arrange automatically. But in the methods, in the right side of the column will not update automatically. So the idea is just make a text before, text after. For materials used, also the same, materials used equal to, and also the semicolon. I use semicolon because it is a unique, you can identify easily the semicolon, and equal to is also unique. So yeah, it's good to filter the text in between the delimiter. Okay, and then findings are the same, objective the same, design parameters missed also the same, exactly the same. And then you just update here, just the same. If it is error, it must be 0. If it is not, just put as it is, and all will be updated. So something like this, and it will be filtered in here. So this is fully automatic. When you playing in this Mendeley, you update some text, it will also automatically update in your reference manager in Microsoft Excel. So that is the main idea for this tutorial. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends who want to manage their reference. Thank you so much.